Do you not like it? Please don't.
This cat needs a manual for life. Cat's energy level, critical low.
Cloverbell, will you give that to me, please? Will you drop it in this bucket?
I have to do everything around here. This cat is more human than me.
See? Alright. It's all good.
What do you want from me? Let me sleep. Great, now my wine has extra flavor. This is my box, no one will take me out. A cuddle turned catastrophe. He's just plotting his revenge.